So hi guys, we have one more phenomenal results over here. So we have Gaurav along with us. Okay, and see he has done something very phenomenal and he has achieved a great results. Right now he have achieved like 1.5 lakhs in 30 days, and among which 60k is in a single day. Yeah. So first of all, very congratulations Gaurav for achieving this kind of results. Yeah. So Gaurav,
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Gaurav, let's start with the interview. And before like we jump in, there are like few questions that I will ask and you can respond it accordingly. So you can either keep the language English, or it is fine if you go with the mixture of Hindi or English, like
Hmm.
that is also fine. So you can use any among this, right?
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. So before we start, Gaurav, I just want to know your story. What is your story behind coming into this fitness industry? So how things unfold for you? Like what's your story entering over here?
Hmm. Okay. See, the thing is that these are totally two different things. Okay.
Hmm.
Having a good knowledge about something, let's say we have a good knowledge about fitness. Okay. But the thing is that how do you reach out to people? I believe knowledge, but how do you reach out to people? That is some other skill. Okay. So that is where this program helped me. How you can reach out to people, how you can reach out to people and tell them how what possess and how you can help them actually with their health. So if you can do that, then you will start getting the results. So uh, uh, celebrity collaboration helped me a lot actually. So abhi bhi, like abhi presently I have two collaborations lined up, good collaborations lined up. So it's working beautifully, and because of that, I'm getting some audience, good amount of audience. And I'm really happy that I'm able to help a lot of people with their health, so that the more people that get healthy, that is what our goal is, to make people aware and empower them with knowledge and make them fit and fine.
Yeah. So before joining us, like what was the problem or what was the challenge that you were actually facing?
The challenge was this only. Ki, you don't know how to reach out to people. You have the knowledge, but how do you reach out to people? How go to a lot of people and tell them that this is what I can do. So that is what is important. And these are two different things. If you can reach out to people, then that's a gift. But other than that, it's a different skill you need to learn. That is what this program helped me.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, and thank you so much, first of all. Okay. So let's say if I ask you, okay, so when you went through the program, okay, so what kind of mindset shift that you have experienced like throughout this, like how did have impacted your mindset? The reason that I'm asking this question, because a lot of people watching this and even people those who have inside the program, they don't take this
Hmm.
mindset lecture seriously. Okay. And I just want to know, like, see, since you have produced a good amount of results, so your output or your like
Hmm.
feedback
Hmm.
will definitely encourage people to take this mindset model like seriously. So that's the whole point of asking. So can you just elaborate this concept in brief?
So So yes, it is all about the mindset. That is very, very important. That is like before I suppose if I talk about my I started this program, I had some goals. I told you I had some goals. I wanted sale. I gave you certain numbers of sale that this is what I want, and I'm getting closer to that. Okay, but that at that time it was it's difficult and impossible because you had no idea how you're going to do it. Okay. But when you start the program, you understand the progress, you understand the process, how you can do it, then it makes all sense. Okay. And that is why I'm reaching that number, what I told you when I started the program. And that is how your mindset changes. You have more confidence because when you get closing more clients, you get more confidence. Okay. And then when you're doing celebrity collaboration, you will feel that why would this celebrity reply to me? So these are some doubts that you get. But then there are so many celebrities who will really get back to you, and then you can actually train with them and give them the best results, and then you get more clients. So that surely happens. So that is how
Yeah.
your mindset changes.
Okay. So can you give me example? Let's say ki any instant of mindset that you have experienced. So that can you just back up thing with an example so that it will be like more feasible to like people those who are watching will understand because they haven't watched the program. So
Mm. So what most of the people will think, does this program really help? How it can help you? See, one thing that I want to tell you that, see, you can of course do the program, but you will have to put in the effort. Okay, so uh, do not feel ki program will everything will happen on its own. You will have to put in the effort. Okay, and the thing is that one example that I can give, a lot of people feel these questions. I told you that will this celebrity reply to me,
hmm,
or how will I close clients? And I asked you these questions when I was like, dude,
hmm,
really, like I'm not getting any answers. So
hmm,
initially, you will not get the mail. You
hmm.
will be like, यार कोई जवाब ही नहीं आ रहा है. But
Yeah.
keep writing them. So that's what you said, and I'm writing them. I am writing 30-40 mails a day, and out of 30-40, you will get the replies. You will get celebrities replying back to you, and then collaborating with them. So yeah, that, and when that happens, your mindset, you are more confident about what you are doing, about your skill, and that boosts up your confidence. And with that confidence and with collaboration, you can always increase your prices as well. You are training a celebrity.
Yeah. So it's add
So
social capital.
that is how things work, and that is how, correct. Yes.
Yeah. So when you
So that
started.
happens.
Okay. So when you started training them, okay, basically you started with the collab and you started training and you started posting about them, of course, and they actually started talking about you, basically. So this is not related to the program, but
Yeah.
I am going to ask you like what kind of change that you have experienced in your personal life. Okay. So after you start collaborating with these people, or let's say what kind of response you got from people, or what kind of response you got from your friends and clients.
Personal changes. May I could tell you that work becomes much better. See, I will. This networking is very important. Okay, whatever profession you are in, whatever you do, good networking is everything. Okay, because network gets better, you know people, and those people you're training, they will talk about you to other people who are also maybe influencers. That is how networking goes up, and that really helps you. I don't know, in a personal life, professional life as well.
So let me ask you one more time, Gaurav. So what was your
Uh,
experience when like you went through the sales training, especially the pauses and the silence that you have maintained during the call? So how was your
hmm.
experience during the sales call, and how was your experience during the consultation as well?
So the overall experience was good. The silence card actually works. So when I'm doing the consultations, so you just need to introduce yourself and then just tell them that please tell me about yourself, and they start talking about, they will tell you everything. So what they've been doing, what happened, everything they will tell you, and then accordingly that then you can consult them, you can make some changes and all. So it really works. Silence card really works.
Okay, and like how was before? Like how was the flow of call before? Let's say before you did not like learn this or did not discover this. How was the?
So before, what happens is, see, what happens is,
Hmm,
like, because you are so skilled, you have
hmm,
good amount of knowledge about something. So what you feel is that when you get on a call, you will just bombard the other person with all the knowledge you want.
hmm.
Okay, but that he doesn't care about that. Okay,
Yeah.
and that is the truth. So don't let him speak. Okay, let the person speak, and let him tell you about all his problems. Okay,
Hmm,
don't don't bombard him with all the knowledge you have. Okay, because you might think that it is impressive, but it is not. So because they don't understand that, so they just want कि मेरी वही if someone can solve my problem, that is all they want. Okay, so just listen to their problems and solve them. Simple.
Yeah, this is very wonderful, man. Yeah. So if I want to ask you, what was the decision, you decided to enroll with us, or let's say, let's work with Shannon. What was the decision factor?
The decision factor was that I could see the results. Okay, first of all, the first thing is I could see the results. Like Tejasvi also was there, right? So I've been with Tejasvi. I've known Tejasvi for years now. So एक तो that they were good results, and there was some trust because I knew you. Like I also know you for years now. Okay, so and it made sense that this I personally thought that this can actually help me, and that is why I went for that.
Okay. That's like so nice of you, man. And what was the happiest moment during your program, like during this, your entire journey of yours?
When I closed when I closed 4 clients.
Okay. And what
when
was
I
like revenue for this?
when I closed 4 clients and I had 4 consultations.
Okay.
And
So
closed all
like
of them.
100 plus in closing in a day.
Yes. So revenue I was charging, and when you have good amount of knowledge and when you listen to all their problems, then you can put a price tag to it and charge them, because and there's nothing wrong with that, because you are giving them value. Okay, so never stop from asking good amount of money if you think that you can add value to the other person's life. So yes, both are, and it was the happiest moment because and it's working. This works. I'm writing. I'm still writing 30. I have a person who writes 20, 30, 40 mails a day to celebrities, and I'm getting the mail back. So of course it is happy. Initially, you will definitely feel the person who will start this program will definitely feel yeah, nothing is happening. I'm writing the mails, but I'm not getting the response. Okay, and that is very natural because you will not, because you haven't written enough mails. You have to write a lot of mails. Okay, and you will start getting the reply back, and that will be the happy moment for you because you will be collaborating with a person who is known, and when that person starts posting about you, then you get a lot of audience. Simple.
Yeah, definitely, man. I agree with you. Yeah. So one final question, Gaurav. So you have a good, yeah, like a business journey, your entrepreneur journey. So if you want to get back to your older version of Gaurav, okay. So what will be the top three lesson to the him, to your old self?
Top three lessons is when you're on a call, shut your mouth and listen to the client. Okay. For
Yeah.
second will be that don't worry about, second lesson will be that invest. Do not shy away from investing. Okay. If you want good money, you have to spend it. You have to spend at the right place. You have to invest will be the right word. Invest money at the right place, like this program. And the third is that never lose hope. Okay, stay confident and believe that there is no one better.
This is amazing, man. No doubt. Yeah. So one final question, Gaurav. So who is watching
Yeah.
this video? Okay. So whomever watching this video, if they want, if they need your consultation, or if they wanted to contact you, how they can contact you?
Go to my Instagram. I'm very like you can reach out to me anytime. go to my Instagram, Build by Science 12, or Gaurav Sahai. Just drop me a DM, and there's a link of my website. Go there and you'll book a call with me also.
Yeah.
You can if
Cool.
you
So
want.
I will just add your Instagram profile in the like video.
Sure, sure, sure.